Hello, beautiful people, welcome back. If you're new here, please take a moment to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. So, today I'm gonna show you this easy, quick, smoky eye makeup look. You can create this eye makeup look under 10 minutes. Yes. So, if you're interested in watching this video, please make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. So yeah, let's start. So today I'll be using this Urban Decay Naked Heat palette and will be using the darkest brown color from the palette and will apply it to my whole eyelid with a fluffy brush. And this is a beautiful palette. You will get all the neutrals and dark shade and you can create tons of eye makeup look from this palette. So here I'm just intensifying the color till I'm not happy with the intensity. So you just have to keep intensifying the color. Next I'll be using this light brown color from the palette and will apply it on my outer V to give a smoky effect. So you just have to keep intensifying the color for the smoky effect, and you can use any colors for the smoky eye look. You just have to make sure the colors are dark. Next I'll be taking this beautiful shimmer eyeshadow from the palette and will apply it with a flat brush. You can also use Fix Plus to apply any glitter eyeshadow. Later on I realized that I have to use my fingers to apply that beautiful color because the brush was not picking up the color really well. So your fingers are the best when it comes to applying any glitter eyeshadow. So here I am applying just in the inner V of my eyelid. Next I'll be using the same brush and just blending all the eyeshadows together so that there are no harsh lines popping through, and this way your eyeshadow will look beautiful and seamless. Then I'm going ahead and applying the same eyeshadow on my lower lash line. This step makes your eyes look complete and big. Then it's time to apply some kajal. For that I'm using my K Beauty kajal in the shade Spade, and this is a beautiful kajal and it's smudge proof. So here I'm just applying on my lower waterline and upper waterline. You need not to be very precise while applying the kajal because any which way I'm going ahead and smudging that out to give that smoky effect to my eyes. Next I'm taking a flat brush and smudging that kajal out, and here I'm just trying to connect my lower lash line with the upper lash line. So here I'm just wiping off any fallouts from the eyeshadow. You can also use any translucent powder before applying any eyeshadow under your eyes, and later on you can just wipe it off. So then I'm just intensifying my outer V because I was not happy with the intensity. So I'm just taking a little bit of that dark brown color and applying it on my outer V. Next, I'm going to apply some concealer at the edges of my eyes to make my eyeshadow look more neat and crisp. You can also use any tape before applying the eyeshadow. This way your eyeshadow will look more neat and crisp.
Turning truth to lies, gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere.
Next, it's time to apply some mascara, and look who's here. He's my baby and he's just 18 months old and super naughty. He tries to copy me whenever I'm doing any kind of makeup. Look how he's staring at the camera. He's super cute. He's trying to say hi to everyone. Yeah. So yeah, that completes my look. Hope you guys will like it. If you did, then please don't forget to give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you want to recreate this look, do tag me in my Instagram account, which is Shreya Sharat Saxena.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind.
So yeah, till then, take care. Bye bye. See you in my next video.